So, I thought that this was supposed to be a pop-up tent, but it's nothing popping up. So, I still am optimistic that this is gonna work out. And we got sleeping bags, but we are going to use. We did buy. I mean, we brought our blow-up mattress down. Okay. All right. So I think the way this goes is just all right, so you got these things, okay, and then okay, you see how this is, and then you do it like that.
That's what you do?
Yeah, because what you're gonna do is, okay, Anthony, this is the front of the tent.
Well, we'll swing it around.
Well, don't we want the front to be by the fire?
If it's
Well, this right here is long ways.
well, let's get it up, then you can rotate it around.
Okay. All right, so basically,
I'm sure you go diagonal
yes,
to
Anthony,
to
I
that.
know. And basically, what you're gonna do is, it's really easy.
Okay.
You just put this in here, like that. Okay. All right. I tell you what. We're gonna stop the video and we'll show you the end result.